If waxing has started to feel more painful or irritating after 40, it's not your body failing you. It's what most of us were never taught to do the day before. And today, I'll show you the simple shift that changes everything. Here's the part no one explains. After 40, our skin is naturally thinner, drier, and slower to recover. Most of us are making the same mistakes without even realizing it. We exfoliate too aggressively right before our appointment, thinking we're helping. We skip crucial hydration because we're worried the wax won't stick. We end up waxing on stressed, inflamed skin. Essentially, we're treating our skin like we're still in our 20s. But the truth is, most waxing pain and irritation actually starts the day before you even step into the salon. So, how do we fix this? This isn't about a trendy hack, it's about understanding how mature skin responds to stress, hydration, and inflammation. Prepping your skin the right way means focusing on a few key things. First, calm the skin. Second, hydrate it from the inside and out. Third, reduce inflammation before the wax. And finally, protect your delicate skin barrier. When you start working with your skin instead of fighting against it, waxing becomes predictable and so much more comfortable again. But here's the thing. Even with this perfect prep, there are a few common mistakes women over 40 make during the actual waxing process that can undo all your hard work. There's one in particular that most people never even notice, but it silently increases the pain. I'll be covering all 7 of these mistakes in the very next video, and I promise, mistake number 3 alone explains so much of that unnecessary waxing pain. Now that your skin is perfectly prepped and ready, the next step is to avoid those simple mistakes that can ruin it. Mistake number 3 is a game changer and can explain why you might still be feeling pain. Go ahead and watch the next video now to master all 7 mistakes and feel completely confident every single time you wax.